Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and get some Monopoly Go rewards codes. This is the easiest method to get tons of free dice in Monopoly Go. Super easy, guys. These Monopoly Go rewards codes can literally just be entered in the Monopoly Go website, and you can literally redeem these codes. It takes a few minutes to do, guys, and these reward codes are super valuable considering the amount of free dice you're going to be getting, and you can also get free cash as well. So let's run through the steps that you're going to need to take. And like I say, once you get your code, simply redeem it in this rewards codes section on the Monopoly Go website, and it's going to supply your account with some free dice. So open up the internet, use your mobile phone, and go to www.codecoupons.com. So just make sure you spell it correctly like this, guys, to go to Cold Coupons. And on this website they have loads of different pages, as you can see. They have codes for tons of different games and stuff. So you're going to want to navigate your way to the Monopoly Go page just by searching it in the search bar, Monopoly Go. As you can see, there is one reward code currently available, and it is a 100,000 free dice code. So this Monopoly Go reward code is going to supply you with free dice. So click get code. This confirms your choice. This is highly rated, being used a ton, and people are using this as we speak as well. But there are loads of coupons remaining. So click on show full code here. It's going to basically search for a valid code and allocate you it. Okay, so it says here your code is ready, and it says your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So you can see, guys, your Monopoly Go reward code is currently locked and protected. You need to tap on this button here and follow the instructions here to unlock your reward code. Obviously 100,000 rewards, 100,000 dice is pretty valuable, so this does prevent people from stealing all of the codes. So you need to complete 2 tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions for each one. So you essentially just need to select any 2 of the 3 tasks you see on this page and follow the instructions that it tells you how to complete them. And if you do 2 of them correctly and fully complete them, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and yeah, your Monopoly Go reward code will be unlocked and you can redeem it on that website. And I showed you in here, and it's going to supply you with 100,000 free dice. So that is it, guys. Go to Cold Coupons. Any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.